Over 170 years ago, a man by the name of Stephenson invented the first locomotive, the subject of scorn and ridicule. Stephenson believed that a steel wheel on a steel rail was capable of moving passengers and freight, thoroughly outrunning and outlasting the horse and buggy. He was right. This system dominated the 19th and 20th century. In the early 1900s, the Wright succeeded in bringing to pass man's greatest dream, the ability to soar with the eagles. Today, nearly a century later, jet aircraft thoroughly dominate the skies. From a hot air balloon to space shuttles, technological advances have actually placed man on the moon. But what about land transportation? Time is running out. Locomotives are traveling on some tracks which are almost 100 years old. Every week there are catastrophes involving train accidents and cargo spills worldwide, endangering lives and the environment. We're entering the 21st century, and mankind is still riding on 19th century technology. We are in dire need of a faster, safer, and more economical system. We need magnet train. Maglev trains are the new industry of the 21st century. The word maglev is composed of two words, magnetic, levitation, which simply means using magnetic force to lift the train. Maglevs are designed to be an ultra-high-speed train carrying both freight and passengers in mass transit systems and intercity transit. Maglevs do not contact their rails and are propelled by linear induction motors.
Do you think the magnetic levitation system designed by Roy Vincent will work?
Yeah, I would say that is what I believe. But I would just, before I answer this question, definitely, I would say that I was for several years delegated from the American government to study the German systems of magnetic levitation. And from the American embassy in Bonn, I was delegated to study the American efforts in this. And then I got to know Roy Vincent, and he showed me a system which avoided this downfall. But Roy Vincent came then out with the magnet train system, and we worked together a little bit on that. And I must say, there is nothing else is as, I would say, as hopeful to be sometime implemented and to be used because of the simplicity of the system as such. The German system is extremely complicated. I have seen that in detail. It works, but it's at a price. And the Japanese system has several different downfalls. The one is that the passengers in the Japanese carriers would be exposed to magnetic fields of 250,000 Gauss, which usually our systems would not tolerate. And so the only system which I know is simple enough and also effective enough, that is the system of magnet train from Roy Vincent.